Hey yo, what up, good people? It's your boy, Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode, and I'm joined by two ladies, and I'm joined by my nigga, as usual, Trigger Saga. But let's start with the ladies. What's up, Melon? Enjoy.
Yeah, Peter Johnny.
Yeah, Peter, man. Morgan, alright?
Yeah, Peter Johnny.
Yeah, Peter, bro, you good, man?
100, my dog.
Yeah, ne?
Good.
Hey, you seems tired, bro. It was a tough week.
Yeah.
How was your week, though?
Besides electricity, it was a good week, dog. Can't complain.
And that's a daily struggle, isn't it?
Ish. Especially in Akaye, so it was a car.
But I feel like everywhere, dog.
So,
Really?
Now, like, is it the same?
yeah,
Is it?
Kunzing.
They are related now.
No.
Load shedding. How? When I experience load shedding?
Yes, yeah, 5 hours. Or
Yo.
2 days. Load shedding at 2 days.
2 days?
Hey. My moshegil. Bazobuya mabafuna bona ka Eskom.
Yeah, ne?
So, hey.
Nengono, it's been a week.
Nangihlale 2 years with that.
Ah, dog. Now I do relate, actually. Well, not this kind of case, like, for the past few days. You see.
Days and on better than weeks and months.
Actually,
Nangihlale
like,
2 years
it's been a
without-
week.
Yeah, dog, yo. One minute, no kiss gonja.
I would say, like, from me, dog, it's probably not more than 5 days.
Yeah,
With
okay,
me.
yeah. Maybe not more than 5 days, yeah.
Yeah.
But you're going in 1 billion now.
Yeah, it's been long.
Feeling at TV.
Nangihlala 2 years. Ngahlala 2 years without electricity.
2 years.
I would never.
Thinking of it,
We transform.
transformer. Ne? Yo, if a transformer avail, it takes time. Goodbye, Lungi.
Yeah, definitely.
Ladies and gents, welcome to Unscripted Moment Podcast. Okay. Watermelon, how is your week?
Hectic. I was sick, guys. Yo.
Sick. What happened?
Ngiphethe isisu. Besibuhlungu. Yeah, and then iviki lami hlezi libhora yo unless kuba December.
So
During the year ngiyabhora.
Yeah, ne?
December repeats.
What's nice about December? Like, is it the vibe?
It's the vibe, guys. Nomoya ungu-December uyawuza man. Uyawunuka ukuthi
Serious?
kinako
Kinako ya
I get a festive
Pretty
what
much.
festive fever ne? Yeah, kuna
Festive
festive
season.
season, festive fever, like everything is nice with December. Ukudla, everything is nice with December, guys. During the year, sure. Ngaro watosa. Mara ube fast Maria tosa.
Uyazazi lezi trigger ezingagezi December.
Hey,
eziphathi
dog.
phezulu. Khona lezo mfethu. Yo. Abaqala nje pip pip. Usageza. Hayi baba, yabona izosala yo.
Ngathi fana naye ke lo.
But December, I feel like for me, it's a dilemma. We are fine now. Any other month.
Is it?
Serious, I need to be different.
Oh, you feel dog?
Yeah.
I don't drink too much, dog, with December.
Dog,
Like, is it
you're
not different?
fine.
Like,
No, it's not different. You're fine.
is it? Which means when every day of your life, like,
Not
it's
every day,
December.
but like, but you're fine. Like, say, angazi man. And you feel your fever like so December.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
One Morgan, how
Same
is your week?
applies.
Is it?
Okay, about December yakhe.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
and it's like a normal month.
Is it?
Ngaphandle kokuthi ngiyemgrooving, yeah.
Okay, yeah, ne. You party a lot, ne?
Not that much, mara ngo-December. Yeah, depend ukuthi siyaphi.
Is it? Okay, and how is your week?
Hey, hectic to be honest.
What was happening?
I'm going like every day with the same person every day. I don't know if it's normal, guys.
It's abnormal.
Ukuwisha in what kind of way? Like,
Hey, like slowly, like into ezincane, you know.
umjolo.
Ah,
Hey! Umjolo the pandemic.
Dates.
Okay, take us through it. Ukuyisha kanjani? Like maybe we can give you advice. Yabo. Yeah, maybe we can help there and there. Yabo. What's going on?
No, angiboni ukuthi ngizonceda ngale because like silento ezincane yabo, and especially phone, you know. Wena futhi maybe efonini.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ulolana phone.
Akuthola izinto obviously there.
Oh, so wena ubusy.
No, mina ngikho busy.
So what's the issue then?
Yena ubusy.
Yeah, but what's the issue?
Ngiya find out lapha yana guys.
Efonini
Why you
yakhe.
find out when find out uzoba right uyasikoshisa
Yeah, ne?
ungene efonini yomuntu lo efuna uzoyithola
Kahle
Yeah,
like
yeah.
is it acceptable lento yokuthi manjola sekumele manje like check ifone yakho now check ifone yami?
It is.
It's
Like
not
is there
yazi-
necessity for that? Like
no,
it's
it's not. I feel like umuntu uba loyal makafuna yena.
yeah.
Akumele uze umlandelele ukuthi manje aba loyal act right. So check ifone nje ukuzisa ubhlungu. Engenyenze mina leyo.
Wena?
Nami ngathi ngiyabona ukuthi ifoni kumele ngiqale nje ngidedele kancane.
yeah
Also when uyayichecka wena.
Ngiyayichecka guys, angazi yini engibizayo ukuthi ngichecke le phone.
Okay.
Ithi ngitsheleni guys mina one thing about me, I believe like ama ancestors yabo.
Okay.
So to every boy I dated before yonke into bazoyenza ngiyayiphupha.
Is it?
It's true nice guys. It's true guys, ngiyayiphupha before bazoyenza. Yeah, 3 minutes. Bese ngizomuza ukuthi okay like are you busy with someone? Bese uzongibuza ukuthi nayi ngikhoza yami yabo. Ila ke ngizofika efonini or lelo langa leli ngifika mengibuye emsebenzini manje uthi okay khuphuka sibona umuntu akho kuphela nobani bani. Mengikhuphuka ikayenzeka guys yo. Ngahlanya kokugcina. Lutho guys it's a long story eh.
But you still stay in that relationship. Mawubhekile like inenza lokho ukuthi uhlale ubone ukuthi but this person like
You understand.
you can understand. Oh, so have you dated like guys where you feel like this guy like I can understand yes? Is it?
Yeah.
So understand like in what way?
Like uyangazi.
Is
Kahle
it?
kahle yeah. Wangikhona.
Now
Mara
you
ish ngiyabonga ukuthi
understand.
like the more
ungangena efonini understand uzoba right
but then yeah no ukuze like ngiqhubeke ngicheck ifoni yakhe ukuthini njengoba ngifit like ngimtholile ngibhacile efonini sho ukuthi vele uyoqhubeka yabo because mengayeka sho ukuthi vele hayi ngimthole kayi1 bese yathi no ngizoshintsha kanti yabo uyaqhubeka still.
And how long have you guys been dating?
Do we have to ask that question?
Yeah, we wanna know. I'm curious actually.
2 years.
2 years. So are you guys that serious?
We are. Mara yeah, this year ngathi nje siyagowisha ngathi isithonza ngibina batha ngestraw.
Do you feel like you will ever reach a point whereby you'll be like fuck it like I'm enough?
Yeah. Sile kancane.
You say so?
At this point like njengamanje ngihlelo kusolo studio is like hot chair ukuthi yazini.
And I
Ngathi
feel-
ngizodedela.
that's hectic yo
And I feel like girls, I wanna like girls when they reach that point ukuthi baba like, you know what, I've had enough bro. Avana basuke sebazwile dog.
They
Noma
lie.
you unga try so hard bro. She will never understand. Yeah, relate watermelon to that.
No, I'm trying to Mara yeah, like I do relate yes.
Is it?
We get to a point where we say we enough yazi uyakhathala ukudlalwa. Uyakhathala ukukhala. And one thing you should know, if he makes you cry more than he makes you laugh, leave.
Is it?
Yeah.
manje do you also have this thing ukuthi before you decide ukuthi move on so you no munye umuntu before that or
Bakhona bayenzayo. Yeah, ifoni mayimoshekile wenzani? Okay, yalahleka wenzani?
uzothola
Thank you.
How? Okay.
Ifoni mayilahlekile kutholakala enye.
Ifoni mayelahlekile wenzani? Thengentsha.
hey
Same applies to when you lose a gent, you get another one.
Not same time.
Another man's trash is another man's treasure.
Yeah,
Never
I
forget
know
that.
Yeah, true. That's so true.
manje what's the longest time you've stayed single
Ew guys,
1 week.
1 week incane. Inini? Silendi lapho. 1 week,
Yeah.
inini? Guys, mina ngiyahlala yo.
Is it?
Longest it was
What's the
years,
longest?
man.
Yes.
I think it's 9 months since so far. Yabo, 9 months.
9 months.
Banghetha nge3 months. Yabo ukuthi kuyisilesa ukuhlala. Awusahidi manje. Move on. Hayi cha ngeke. Yazithila inyanga ezinde. Bakhethe ngesikhathi esincane so.
Damn.
Iviki alimi ku Monday, liya ku Tuesday, lithi Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now ngikuzume la just because bani ukwenza so. Hamba komunye wadifu uzokuphatha kahle. Yeah, maka mina ngifani nani ish.
Okay.
ngiyazibhalanga akubhalwanga la ukuthi lo alright for kanjani
Hayi.
Yeah, ne.
inkinga ifika
Wona
lapho
masophakathi.
Bona ngiyazenza.
Ish, and one thing I mostly experience ne ukuthi ama red flags omfana angwaboni singakabi ku relationship ngwabona sengiphakathi.
So ubhene kanda ne.
Jo.
Ndakusamuve ke on.
Hey.
No, understand.
Yeah, ne.
Like uzamkwenza green abuyela be red. Uzamkwenza green abuyela be red so ish enye into ebhlungu nayo le ish.
Asikisimba mfethu.
Kuzoluka.
Yeah, umjolo. Hayi. Yeah, but all I think like we all suffer from love. Yeah, like one way or another, like we do. Like we do. That's just I feel like that's just like it has become a norm. Like that's reality.
Yeah, so sijwayele iphini yakhona.
Yeah, that's reality.
Sahithi.
You see. So yeah, it can be whatever. Like can be true love, true families. Like we suffer from love. You see, because my families, you'd find good say there are toxic members in the family whereby you don't even link up with them. You see, like you've got that boundary. You could see, I can't be with this person like in the same room. It happens.
yeah
You see, yeah, it happens, and we don't speak about that like in most cases. Yeah. Well.
Fela
Yeah.
ngaphakathi mfethu.
And you mentioned it's like what December, you party a lot actually. So, cause no bona like umuntu ojimayo, like how do you balance the life of gym and the life of being out there, like or grooving or whatsoever? How do you balance that?
obviously lo grooving in isebusuku
Mm.
any gym semini
Okay.
so yeah depend man on a day ukuthi okay cause mina a week ngijima like 3 or 4 times
Okay.
then ebusuku obviously we groove
Okay.
yeah
Uchimela, like if I may ask,
What do you
like you
feel?
know, girls, I don't understand, bro. Like, is it the fact you're good? Maybe I wanna have ngifuna ukuba nama caves or like ngifuna ukuba nani, like when what's your goal kahle kahle? What's up with ladies like about into gym?
mina ikulami kuba fit like my mom I'm sure you
Okay.
know my mom ne
Yeah, I've seen her.
yes so angeke kusho ukuthi na 50 lo muntu loya
Mm.
so naye uvele like wang inspire yes she's 50 naye umuntu engizwe ukuthi okay should phela mujima like you keep your health on a good level you know cause awugugi uhealthy kahle kahle but then for my side mina ngijimela ukuthi ngibe fit nje kuphela yabo angifuni uku
Not so impressed though, because obviously abanye they would gym like for the looks, you see. And if it's not for the looks, obviously for your body value to be fit to attract guys.
no
For
Yeah.
social media.
Yeah, for social media even. Yeah.
no mina okay thingibele ngithi mina vele kudala benginomzimba alright but then mina I wanted more
Okay.
but then not isn't like more ngibe nezibunu ezikhulu or no bengifuna ukuba fit yabo
Okay.
like ingabi ngathi ikheve lipontshokile ngapha ibunu zinkulu you know bengifuna like ukuba i full packet
Okay.
ukuba fit akuthi ngibe sidudla or no ba fit
Manje imali amalobolo should it goes up like if you get to a point where yo I'm fit yo this guy phela uzodla yo. Uzojupa into ekhona. Okanje trick.
Hey, abuse nayo. Hey.
Yeah.
no mina ne thingivele ngithi ngimama ngifuna ngishade umlungu And I believe ukuthi imali amalobolo for mina there's no use if uzoshada umlungu or Indian or whatever. Imali amalobolo I don't see a use as long as nje yabo njengoba uzongada abazali bami uzobagada.
Oh.
Yeah, if umuntu omnyama
Gada how, like financially?
yes, like njengoba ngithola allowance nabo kumele bayithole.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this guy
young.
hey, so this guy must give an allowance anike nefamily yakhe allowance.
Phela i-discount leyo uqala ubhadala ngelobolo.
Okay.
Yes. Lakhona phela ukuthi allowance yakhona ibe yabo. Yeah, long as bathengile into okudla and stuff.
Hayi.
But then ukuya ngami ne. If ngizolobola like umuntu omnyama, mina ngifuna amatekisi.
Una ufuna inkomo?
Ngifuna inkomo. Ngifuna amatekisi.
Okay. Shuthe uzolotsholwa ngamatekisi kahle.
Inkomo ngifuna amatekisi.
Why?
Then kuba neimoto esayidini ezenela umndeni wakhe. Number but like maximum 10.
Hayi.
That's how much
it takes balid.
It's like 500,000.
That's why guys okay again if ke bokumlungu le mali la ngayibhadala umuntu omnyama vele njengamanje wena complain.
Yeah, it's too much.
No, wena umuntu omnyama uya complain but then umlungu le mali la ngakhipha. If vele uyangithanda ngamampela.
The thing is
but then wena angeke uyikhiphe.
okay, you know, do you understand ukuthi why kune lobola life in actually culture ama blacks? Do you understand why kune lobola? It takes things. Okay, mazo shada ungamla ayikho lento yokuthi ungamla recolored mele khishwe amalobolo.
No, there's nothing like that.
Nami kahle i-core reason ukuthi why mele kube namalobolo angiunderstand. So manje wonke umuntu yonke intombazana sholi ikhula ngalo mentality ukuthi hayi mele ngilotshole but understand ukuthi why khishwa lawo malobolo most yethu asazi funa ama tax ay 10 why.
No, mina for my side lobola isho ukuthi njengoba if yangilobola amanye amagama ahle uyangithenga.
Okay.
I won't like ngizothini
uzofaka i-price tag qeda maka abuser.
But I think that's how they even go to it leads to ukuthi baye ku home affairs ashintshe ne surname because now mhlambe uyathathwa that lady like manje mhlambe uzoba like umuntu wakamazibuko.
Yes.
You see. Yeah, that's the whole reason ukuthi now akasaswe mhlambe umrage or whatsoever, you see. Yeah, isename yakhe yashintsha, that's why khishwa amalobolo ekahle you see.
Okay, partially understand but okay.
Yeah. That's it. Nanokuthi futhi i-value of the woman like angithi kubhekwa amanye ama family like ukuthi it differs. Amanye ama family abheka ukuthi did she go to school and stuff. If like she's working, the value goes up. That's how it goes up. It doesn't go with even with the looks.
Ngiyayilwisa le ukuthi ufundile phela uke esikole nawo yela ngendoda yakho.
That's the thing ukuthi okay
kuba ngathi isikolodo mawuzothi uye esikoleni uyiswe yini umntaneni. Why is it our problem ukuthi we should pay higher because she went to school? Kuyafana uyinto uyoba umfazi angeke abe umfazi okay maybe umfazi we degree kodwa uzopheka into eyi1 nalo ngafundanga.
Yeah.
So I don't think ukuthi they should charge more because she went to school. It was your job to take her to school. It's not our job to pay for that, right? Yes. So angivumela nje nokuthi why esikoleni wafunda white what?
No, but you must remember it's the mentality that blacks have.
Yes.
You see.
Abantu bakudala, not even blacks, abantu bakudala. Because us as our 2K, I don't think bangayifaka ukuthi ufundile.
God, in a nevumi fat said. That's what it's called. Said. Yeah, you would go and stay with the guy because of uyamthanda. You see, yeah, that's how women get to stay with us. It's because of uyangithanda and ufuna ukungibona 24/7 ukuthi ngiyenzani. That's the thing.
That's
the
thing.
Yeah, but that's the case, dog. Why trigger like do you think this the fat and said?
It's obvious uthando. Now if uhlala nomuntu wakho lento ukuthi uzomchecka you need sometimes yabo noma sika la full time understandable.
And it's in ama 2K, it's a norm nje ukuthi
Yeah,
uhambe
normalize
uyohlala.
you shame
Yeah, ukuthi uhambe nje uyohlala nomjida nje.
normalize you.
It's normal.
Then but you are missing bakupost ku Facebook.
Yo.
Yo, yeah, ne.
Yeah.
And actually, like, what's the necessity of these aerobics, like exercises, like, cause man, uthola ukuthi umuntu ujimisa isandla nje kuphela, ubhizi ujimisa isandla, omunye sibonile no king of, omunye sibonile no king of squat, yeah,
What leg did
with the big ass.
She has a
Squat the ass. Then I'm like, this guy, and then I'm At
That's
first,
insane.
yeah, at first that guy, like, I'm special I'm cheat. Then the next minute,
So
the very same chance, they are
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
I go, nami ngejima.
Yeah, they are there.
Yeah. Phela ngisho aba benefit isibunu kuphela did you see nala? Yeah, nala. So ya depend phela ukuthi isquad osenzayo. Isiphi sinjani. But obviously as long as senza isquad izokuphula indoni.
Manje
Mara hayi kangaka.
ukawena igay or straight?
Yeah, that's my
It's
question.
I think
Angazi.
he's straight, guys. Aibo.
It's straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Angazi. Mara
Straight.
obviously
Oh,
ngeke
Mara
ngithi
nine.
mina ngifaka
Athi
kanje
duku.
bese mfazi wami abe neshapo ngihamba naye kanjani.
Ngapusha eneduku ngapha.
Umile.
Hey, it's too much. Oh,
He
out
didn't
for
go
the
to take you
in.
for a PPL. He got it natural.
Yo, Amar is too much.
Ngathi ngambuza ukuthi usikwate for how many years? Maybe ngaqhubeka.
Yeah, because he came to social media looking like that actually.
Really?
Yeah, he came looking
Mara
like
bakhona
that.
bafana abapakile hawo.
Naturally.
Amara, hayi yo, how
Leyana
come
phela
it's too
sekayenzwa
much?
ukuthi uyajima kodwa bakhona abafana abapakile.
Is
But
it?
then
Yo.
akhona nama products awenza ukuthi ube ngaka.
Yeah, nama product. And the bad
Nangazi
thing.
indoda yama Kev nebuni. Yeah, ikaslam the
Products.
someone. Yeah,
Yeah,
he has
bakhona.
calves and nyash.
That's
As a man, like calves wondle umfazi umindle. Yes, kunkulu nayo nama
Yeah,
favorite.
that's why kunama products akhona ukuthi moya.
Magalo ya angishembi
But
aphuza ama
now,
products.
and I'm disadvantage nama product. The minute when you stop taking them,
Uyaleng.
yeah, then your body goes back. It doesn't go back to its form. Actually, I wouldn't say that because it changes. It like Guba. As much as there were drastic changes from at the time you started taking these products up until you go to the level where you were like, damn, I'm satisfied now. You see, because like I remember there's someone that I know. It's a gent actually. So like Beano Jima Pusanama products and he became so tough, like so tough. And then the minute when he stopped taking such products, then that's when like his body was like changing, so
Yes.
waehla and stuff. You see.
You
But
guys
then-
know the Punisher?
Yeah, I know the punish. Yeah, that guy low.
Oh, yeah, lo
strong,
esandla.
Yeah, lo esandla lesesinga. Yeah.
Asimjovo lo.
Bajova nokujova ne.
Yes. So as long as you like ujova like on the vein day then yalo. The thing is it dina uthini ivele khulise like that part only. It depend okay when I'm ujova or into ethengayo the quality yakhona ethengayo enjani because if you jova lana tukumele like the whole hand not here. Should na ke ngazi ke chemical ayisebenzisa yipi.
It's too much.
Loya ulala khathele loya. Ukuthwala leza zendlela ngala. Yazi unokuthi small bekizana so. Yeah, uyakhathala.
Yo. So and like, have you ever thought of taking these steroids and all these powder and etc.?
So mina the only thing that I drink before me gym ngiphuza i-creatine. So leya ne-energy. Then after gym ngiphuza i-protein. I-protein ukurecover vele amalona. Then afterwards, yeah, you recover. Ukuthi ukukhulisa or something no, you recover energy, that's all.
So like, if you could stop like gymming, what's gonna happen? What do you think's gonna happen?
Nothing, as I said, ukuthi mina dala vele nje. Just that mina ngifuna ukuba yabo ngicover if nginembobo lana, if ngondile la.
Is it? So like, ukjima, does it patches those
Yes.
holes ukhuluma?
Definitely.
It does.
It does. If I show you my pictures like back then uzobona ukuthi okay amakheve bakhona lapha malapha bapintshekile but then manje
They're a bit wider.
That's
Kind
so
of.
cool kodwa. Jimmy yawashana ama calves or
yeah I mean I don't know but then bakhona abanye bajimayo bagijimela amakheve I think mara amakheve amana aphume to be honest but then
uthola icave ke.
ngaqambela manje because that's why ngithi mina bengiso
Yeah.
just that mengijima ngijimela ukuthi ngibe fit ukuthi ngibe more
something.
yabo because ake ngithi amakheve akhona exercise akhona into engazi ukuthi lana nezinqa.
Can you give us a 360? Let's see exactly what's what. Yenzani le gym lena? No, let's see. Can you get a 350? Move that mic a bit. Pull it back, yeah, pull it back. Let's see. Just right there. Yeah, say cry. Just there, ne? Ooh, just give us like 10 around.
60.
Yeah, 360. Ah, the hair seeds something. Ababoni kahle bazo complain asiboni mfethu. Asiboni. Move the hair a bit. Yeah.
So la it's where benginembogo khona.
Yeah, keep on telling her. Let's see. Wow. Wow. Yeah, you can pull back the mic. Okay.
I agree. That is, I don't know. I feel like it depends with the products that you drink. Yeah.
Oh.
Mara I agree because phela ujimisa ukuka ngisho.
Mm.
Yeah. That's why it depends when into ephuzayo isebenza like wonke umzimba including
Then the performance is like, does it change there? Does it change like stamina hlabe, does it change nje or it's still the same? You'd say no, I'm just still that same person, you know.
It does.
It does.
I can say.
Is it? How so?
How guys?
Stamina ne?
I don't know, Maria. You know, would change. It depends.
I think Jillian guys, is it true Gucci? Like they're more like you, a woman. Like it's like using a car. Like when you use a car, like if I would say maybe I get a car today, then I drive that car maybe for like 2 years, there'll be a difference, you see, on that car. Is it the same like with Van Bismam?
Kulmano grip.
Yeah, like okay, but even the body.
One thing I know.
Even the body nje. Yeah, I think we are aware of that. It happens, you see. It happens.
No, ivagina elastic, remember. Ucabanga ukuthi umuntu onomntwana ihleli ngaka. Phela kuphuma inhloko remember
Yeah,
nomzimba.
but still they will be
It
that.
stretches back.
Is it?
Yeah.
It stretches
So it's
back.
normal form.
Yeah, but
Yes.
then angithi ngeke izifane mine lihlolo ku 3. Mara it stretches back to ubuncane. Yeah. I-elastic lento le. If bengasi elastic, laba banabantwana ngabe zingaki imbobo.
Yeah.
Okay, for a kid it's understandable, but when it comes to kai, I still
Yeah.
They're more no, like
stretches back.
okay, makukuthi mhlambe you are used to a same person, like you sleep with the same person. You see, he's the only one that gets in there. Then what happens, like if maybe you guys like have been together for like 5 years, it
asina
changes.
experience,
No,
into
it
le-
changes.
Nah,
Yeah,
I don't
change.
think so.
Mara
The
mina-
size, I feel like it changes. Like
Echange yini ngena imbobo ifanayo.
But then ne.
no, it get used to the size of that
Yeah.
D.
But
Yes.
when like you're going to have sex every day.
There are people like that.
Every day.
It happens. Yeah,
You can.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Ungakhathali.
But
Okay.
then ne, like njengoba have sex every day. Is it the same or iba different every day? Because mina ngizoba iba different sometimes.
Kanjani?
Let's say like
Hey, nina nizofema sex.
Because of dead sex.
no, angisho like have a every day. So obviously njengoba wena usho like le in watwati vele umbobo we1 so I say jwayele but then mebasho but inokuba like different sometimes.
I think sometimes okay, you know, ungaheva every day ne. Phela nathi masama out here, sometimes we don't get fully erected must have. So sometimes uthola ukuthi I'm not fully on yabo uzozwa ngathi mhlambe kanti no ukuthi angikho fully turned on kushintsha nje lapho
Mara
But also, mina, I feel like, bro, phela lento lena, like there's a hypothesis that says, if now, I don't want to make example here. Okay, if now maybe, okay, I'll make an example with myself. If like mina hlampe no gelwam, hlampe like siyaheva, you see, siyaheva maybe for the whole entire month we've been having, but not like every day, but ngalezo ikat lezo nje, you see, we would like have sex, and then if another person angena there, maybe with the bigger D, obviously you gonna feel more pain, or my lady, she's gonna feel more pain because she's not used to that D size. That's the thing.
So I want to ask something. When you're used to smashing your girl, and then I smash omunye umuntu, can you feel it?
Yo, to us, bro, like I feel like that's kind of tricky, bro, to us, cause women and bro, mina I have this experience, dog. So yazi ukuthi abocherry bathi sometimes the insect is sniff like into the vagina for it ukuthi ibuyele back to its form. Yeah. Yeah.
Yo,
You've never heard of that?
I've never heard of that. Yo,
It's
I've heard of
dog.
that. I've heard. Yeah,
Snake.
snake.
No, like guys, i-vagina awufaki noma yini phakathi lapha because otherwise you may end up a hospital, to be honest.
Is it?
Manje
Definitely.
lento
Sensitive.
yama stone senzani stone ne stone ne house
house.
Yes, you see?
Green pepper.
Yes.
Then
What?
cinnamon.
Zingcono lezo.
What does it do?
Bathi titans.
Titans.
Mina ngiyama ngathi tithina kanjani uyidla ngomlomo.
Udla ngomlomo.
Udla
Kanti
ngomlomo.
awuyidla-
You can't
No, I wanna maybe snake.
so far back in
Maybe it's snake, yes. But then green pepper, iqiniso.
Is
It
it?
does work, yes. Mara snake no.
Guys, don't only rock green pepper like.
About
I mean, I've heard of that actually. I'm not sure how true is that, you see, but I've
Nama
heard of
ngizwile,
such.
nami ngizwile. I would
see.
Guys,
ngenza.
green
I'm
pepper
a hearsay.
It's weird, dog.
It's very
like
weird,
imagine like which sigi green pepper idle.
Manje usho
Ingcono green pepper than snake.
Yeah, sniff is far too ways.
Yes.
It's far too ways.
Sta kumuntu esibheme ngephumulo phansi.
Cabanga
Phela abanye bayasidla sniff, are you aware?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you aware of that? Ukuthi sniff bayasidla, basibeka la.
Yeah.
La.
Yeah.
Yeah. They do that. And the sniffers dliwa. Imagine, phela dliwa
Hey,
sniff,
Nkosi
but
yami.
bayasidla.
Shuthi nje awentombi yami ibhizi nama stone.
Uspema ngokuthi asifake la.
Ngisho ama trust.
Usifaka usigcina la, usifaka la.
Hayi
It happened.
istone nama holes guys ne flu. Ne flu hayi ukuthi.
Out of nowhere kodwa man.
Yeah, like what if ufila ngathi uphathwe iflu ufuna ukuyihambisa uxesha kanjalo istone.
Hey.
And then cause when like you're a gym person, so is it true good like I'm a trainees like they chow you guys?
Okay, no imane ngizwile lapho. Ukuthi ya abantu abasijimisa like our own trainers.
Yeah.
Yeah,
they chow.
bakhona.
Chow.
It depends, uyavuma na. Yeah, okay, I once got lento le watermelon ayikhulumayo. So I once had this one trainer. Okay, abengisaqala lapha like my last year I think.
Okay.
Hayi lo muntu lo every time angijimisa hayibo. Uqala especially when le squat lesson ukuthi ngibeke insimbi lengaphansi. Yeah, ngi-understand ngiyaqala but then you don't have to ukuthi ngibambe ifigure ngize like feel your what nebo aye phansi nami ngizothi lo muntu lona like guys every time like bengisaba nokuthi ngiyejimini because ngisaba ukuthini mengizoya le ngizohlangana naye because vele yena bengambhadali because vele yena vele like unceda abantu lapha futhi as long as you are new uzokunceda awubhadali.
Okay.
Yebo guys ngabothi lona there's something weird. Aqala uqala ama number wami. Dukudu uyangichecka uyemsebenzini today uyaza ini it's when uthazini ngono ngibe broke than ukuthi ngijim somuntu mahala ngakhoze that is about sometimes into zamahala is correct. Yeah. So I ngastopa but then even now he's still weird.
Is it?
Because manje vele sengijimisa umuntu different than yena. Mara he's still weird.
Ay but mina trigger into lena mfethu ukuthi umuntu ahamba azomjimisa baloku abathi donosa so
Hayi.
Yo.
khuphuka so
Laba bayazi ukuthi bayenzani. Futhi ke futhi maybe
Ngoba
labo.
nawe utunisa.
umuntu wakho mamenza
uthi uyangena
kanjalo
umthola babambe kanje
uthi uyangena uthola babambambe so bathi go down ila imuva lapho
Maybe it depends with the exercise. And it depends ukuthi lento leyo is it private need to kuphela or is it a group? But then le group it's rare. Mara if need to obviously
Oya kumele akujimise private. Ngoba le gym enzwa yilaba
there
abanye
is
zofana
there
naleya.
is a private like because mina la ngijima khona like there are two sections yamantombazana nabafana and amantombazana ngelayo kuhlezi ku empty so we don't know what you guys are doing that side again.
Hey,
khona
ngisajima.
nama section
Bengiyajima ngisajima.
Yeah, like ngapha like bafana ngapha amantombazana. Yeah, depend like which exercise you wanna do.
Oh okay.
so now have you ever been chowed by a trainer
Never. Like mama mchima lapha bamazi straight or loyana nemambini.
Mara bozosho if you've
I don't think no.
we're gonna tell if like you've
How?
been
No,
You can tell.
guys
But
never.
come on,
Like
Mfethu.
abantu badala
You've
kuphela lapha.
come on mfethu.
Like a trainer.
yeah you train.
Never. Never.
but enye into like unokuthi mhlambe uzithole sowuvuma but then if you get to a point
No.
whereby ube like no this is wrong like we get in the middle you've never came across that
Never. Never. Maybe angazi guys, maybe ama looks.
is it
Yeah, mina wonke umuntu engumona lapha mubi. Unless phela ngiloye umuntu wami ke ukuthi wonke umuntu umfana ongaapproachayo angimoni nje. Ngibona yena kuphela. Mara angazi ngacabanga ukuthi ngithi hayi okay mazame ke koneni nangiyenzile leyo.
discipline so if bo week nje mhlawumbe
I don't think
abantu abo booty kada
yeah guys bona like ama trainer they are weird sometimes umuntu okay uyajima mara ubhiza kuskena lapha umuntu la
he's checking you out
mara
Hey.
abahlala kanjani bangasimishi mfethu wakwabona ama videos abantu abajimayo shaw ma tight in
Uqabi lawa ya-
yo
bazohlala kanjani
Yo.
mfethu
nawe mawuthi kada uyabona ukuthi amachiri kayi wonke umuntu ushama tight ama
Ukushuthi uma une boyfriend ejimayo kumele ube stressed.
yeah cause
Too much, yeah,
that guy is
Ejim
busy
sana
chowing
ay.
yeah
Yo.
he's busy chowing that guy
avuke kusini nje ukuthi yochimisa
Yochimisa,
uyazi ukuthi uzathola something
uzathola something in return
Uyakhathela ucabanga ukuthi gym kanti hey.
ntombi yami zochimisa edlini ngeke ejimina ngeke
No,
ngapha
like
lesikole
if-
sithula
phela awumthembi umuntu wakho if yabona if uyamthemba nami vele guys umuntu amakathanda ukuthi ngejimini
is it
mara if uyangithemba
Cause uyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani gym.
yeah but
Yeah.
it goes down there
yo
no but then if
Shilo
mina uyangithemba
enigma.
no mina ukuze like to a point ukuthi angithembi uyangilanda
okay
kuzoba phela after gym yosho vele nohamba nomuntu nale trainer naleyo mara makulanda mara mongithemba uzongithemba uzongeka ngejimini
So if bekangakulandi ngabe uyenza.
I never
still
angimoni nokumona nje lo ngemuhla
what's your type
Ay.
what's your type
as long as I'm nakimi as I'm tall ay guys mina ngina type mara as long as umude unemali zakho nami nginemali zami but then akuthi ube nemali mina even if you are broke I will still date you ngeke ngajana umfana otshala umkhukhwini ngitsheleni ngitsha nokudla sendlini ngimnikeza ke
but labo la
mara
shakunyakaza izenke uzuthi yo hayi
but then no lapho lo mfana lo lapha I was still a virgin
oh so he never got to yeah no way
no lapha I was still a virgin yabo
oh
mara I'm still a virgin
I was about to ask that I was
sibakwake mfethu
mhlambe ingishama ngibeka kahle
are you still
I was
yes I'm still
kwazi wena
I was wena but we don't know we don't know
Oh,
and
so
Amjeni,
sweet.
what's up with this thing I don't understand this guys what's up with this thing like of girls taking another man another girlfriend's man like what's up with that like it's lento yokuthi but like ngithathelana amadoda like it's abanye benza ngamabomu like no like you know what
Ufuna ukukraya.
yeah ngifuna ukukulaya agcina mgana kumgaya
yazi
mfethu
inkinga ifika kuphi ifika la ngithi ngitshela uWatermelon ngithi yo chomi yazi umuntu wami today ungenzeni and Watermelon naye uzoba interested ukuthi hayibo into ayizwe nami ngifuna ukuyizwa simosha lapho thina izamantombazane for my side nabafana yo lo mfana nentombazane lena ingaye ezinye intayile ezi different naye umngane akufuna ukuzwa okay yes emotional lapho like if like uyadlana like ayiphela like between you two ungabhizi ngaphandle ukuthi hey
ibe sneaky link
yes
because that's a sneaky link phela ukuthi ayiphelele kithi nje siyadlana ayiphelele kithi
asho wena ke wena nomodwana okay njengoba igirlfriend yakho asiyiso silinkele inke ngisho shuthi wena ke milo hambe around utshele ungane ukuthi oh okay la mungiphi kanje nakanje milo mtshele.
But do you think this sneaky it comes from someone umtshela ukuthi umuntu wakho mnandi kangakanani?
Nah, it doesn't come from there. Where is it coming from, when from your perspective?
Guys, sneaky link, I'd say it's a guy, me as a girl, I have a boyfriend, and then there's a guy who, like, maybe I'm interested in, like, it's my perspective, it's not, it's like,
yeah. It's an actual
fact. Then we doing something without, and then you know, Wuti, I have a partner, and maybe you also have a partner, like, sneaky link with John Chan.
Yeah.
And what's in the John Chan in Jani?
Is it true?
I don't
think back John.
Let's say Virgin.
You believe that, dog? Do you honestly believe that? I don't, bro. I don't.
As the domestic league there, in most cases, what God would say, amantombazana wabhaca abafana kakhulu. Reason being, amachita understand ka. Amantombazana understand. I'm sure mfethu nginemedi in ungangifonela ungayenzi. Hayi ngizokuzwa ake sekadakiwe.
If the person has a partner, I don't think angakhupha ngalondlela leyo.
Hayi mara amantombazana yiwo nje njalo ahlala yenza ukuthi abafana babhaca.
Because they can't keep their mouth shut, dog. You see, also. Yeah, it's because of that. Because manje, ufuna ukutshela umngane uzithatha ibhadlazi indaba igcwalise ku social media.
Umngane ufuna ukutaste ngisho obviously. Uzweni.
Ayeke nje into ama sneaky link, ayekwe.
So have you ever like got to a point whereby someone that you're close to like gets to take your man? Is it? What happened? No. What happened? But you wanna know? But you are a family.
No, akamthathanga. Yabo.
Wenzeni?
Ngizela find out ukuthi ayisi2 phela kuleli phele.
Okay.
Like bese ngaba like we're friends but then we're not like close kangaka.
You and the girl, you were friends?
Yeah, mara bese ngazi ngisho.
Oh, beningazi ukuthi the guy and player. So it's the guy that was playing the two of you. No, but I'm trying to understand. Phela I'm lost.
Yes. Bese ngazi ukuthi phela la. Until sengikhuluma ngithi yo chomi yazini bani.
Utshela yena like utshela bani?
Umngane wami.
Oh, utshela yena that very same girl.
So she didn't know ukuthi beke outside. Oh, na find out any two.
And then what happened after that?
So
utshola naye for isikhathi singakanani? Mfethu come on, mfethu. No, but you didn't come all the way here.
Ibona leyo
no, but it's like bro, lalela dog, trigger bro. Like obviously like we are here to educate people and also to highlight some of the things that gets to happen like in the hidden closet, and we need to take those things like here on the table so that we can analyze and try like to see and find solutions. Yeah, because that problem that you had, there's someone out there who's still having that same problem. So today that person angasizakala because of what we just shared, you see. So I'm trying to know like like besentrola for isikhathi singakanani, and this guy named Jerena for isikhathi singakanani wena masothola.
Yabona ngiyaxolisa ne but then ngale angikwazi ukukhuluma ngayo. Maybe for like next time.
Next time how?
When I feel comfortable like ukhuluma ngale nto le. Ngizokhuluma ngayo but then ngikhipha amagama and stuff.
Yeah.
But then for next time
I don't want you to manje, it's not like skip amakam, but we're trying to understand the whole situation with what was happening, and we wouldn't know if we just leave it like that. You see,
You will know that is why ngithi mina
No.
ngizokhipha the other lelo langa leli ngizobuya lana when I feel comfortable ukukhuluma ngayo, because like now
you don't at all.
at all.
Ayiwanda kuzofa umuntu.
No one is gonna die, bro. Do you feel like that?
Aw,
Ngicela uze
angafuni
nothumela
ukukhuluma.
mhlawumbe kuyofa umuntu.
What's going on? Are you aware, Gandhi?
No, I don't know anything.
How?
What's happening?
I don't know anything.
Am I the only one who's lost?
What's that?
In fact, we are talking. It's just you and me. We are talking. So I'm trying to understand. Let me understand. You see, because I don't get like the context of like what happened and what's going on and stuff. Because manje, I can't leave my viewers like not knowing what was happening, and it's gonna be hard for us. Imagine when you come back, it's gonna be like we have to move from. We have to move to a different chapter. So we can't go back to the very same chapter. So we'll see Vula going back. Isn't like we don't know what you're doing, you see. So let's just focus on this chapter and make sure it's okay. We get to the bottom of it, and then we know it's what happened, what were the solutions, and then we just leave it like that and let it rest, you see.
Ay mhlawumbe ngizotshela ngesolution nje kuphela.
Okay.
Ukuthi what happened ayi sivele sayeke njalo.
Lahlukana
Phelele
naye.
emoyeni.
So are you still dating the guy? Or you
Are you
broke
still
up
friends
him?
with your?
Are you still friends with that very same girl that you guys were sharing a man? Are you guys friends?
No, like besingazi.
Oh.
Yeah, besingazi.
Manje, why is it too personal? Like,
But there's nothing too deep in it.
There's more busy to know. I'm comfortable. Like,
No, yeah,
If
because
I
now
didn't
it's
know,
like something happened. And,
yeah.
yeah, because like you guys are still good, most. So what's the point if you like keeping it in the closet?
No, mina nomngani ngomama sese right. We still cool. Umuntu engafuni ukukhuluma ngayo istory ukuthi wenzakalani. No, because let's find it out obviously sibuze ngimtshelile ukuthi kanti uyazi Chomi ubani bani. Yebo. Athayibo kanti niyathola athayibo nathi siyajola kuphela. Then from there yaba into enkulu. Long story but then yona ibhlungu ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo.
It broke you, eh? To what extent?
Utsebo Jole, how many years nalo mchitsa leyo?
Yeah, but you're for how long?
Omuphi?
Yeah, nah, that very same guy.
Lo bajona mnganami.
Yeah.
Ayindaba last year.
Oh.
Like Jole for how long?
When and
Benga last. Mama months nje.
But when like
No bestola ngazi.
how kanjani kanti akushilanga?
Because I have to find out ngivela find out every day.
And ubuhlungu find out a dog.
I'll find out.
Find out, yo, that feeling.
And indaba kudala like 2013. 2023.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah,
Good
2023.
So with the guy, like, are you guys like cool with the guy, or is a thing of with cut tiles?
Asina beef, asilwe. It's right. Mara ayisekho into sehlanganisayo.
Okay. And they will never be.
Hayi.
Phela ezinye izinto like thiwa la manzi akama khona phindame futhi. So it happens that maybe it can get to a point whereby we'll be like, but you know, like I had feelings for that man and they're still there and I can't help it. Will it ever get to that point to go see we'll be like, you know what, I think I've fallen in love with him again.
Angeke. Never ever.
Like you've made up your mind about it.
Aye, full stop.
Ay, askis.
Yo.
As long as you move on.
Then what about you? Like, have you ever been in that same situation? Have you ever been in that situation when?
Ayo kaningi.
Says. When what happened now is it's a friend.
Yeah, it's my friends.
Oh. Yo, it's even worse. Yo.
Okay, but like being high school, I think maybe grade 8, grade 9. Obviously, no being getting 5 ne. So this guy used to check us in his card. Yeah,
I ghost.
104 to 5, then we go 105 to 6 and stuff. Yeah, so obviously, when I find abancane like bayathanda ukusenza ama love bite estradini masimila senza ama love bite thanda ukukhothana intamo and stuff. So sisesikoleni and we're talking about it and I'm like, yeah, Chomi give me one thing. yeah, naki mang wa ko kai kai. Chomnan mag okay na kai kai school. Chunky mutaga. And he also did the same thing ne cousin yam.
Shit, with your cousin.
So cousin wa papa wathi asambise umkhethisa abakhetha mina. So like abangani bami besi 3 cabang same guy. Shaka ngesikhathi.
Yeah, I ghost.
Then another one bekuya sesikoleni grade 12.
Okay.
Yeah, ish. Uyabekazithandela abantwana.
Damn it.
So like he had a thing with my friend. Mina it's like obviously laba change ama subject. In consumer, those kind of things. So we change my class to consumer. So now I'm seeing my friend who bambi studio saki. I'm like, no, funa like because I mean I keep things like hey bokwenzakalan kanti abantu happy. I'm like dala vele banglimaza kuleki. Dala. And then the recent one too it happened. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo but
Recent one.
Which one is that one now?
Hi guys, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo.
Which one is that one?
Or
Which one is that?
humans?
Is it like the one we are aware that has been on social media?
Yeah.
Is it? So that guy, what did he do? What did he do? Hey, Baba, you know yourself.
That's
You know
basic.
yourself. What happened? What happened?
Yeah,
Tamaka?
guys, mina ngimthanda umfana onganeliseki. It's the same as Mara. She was not my friend, that girl. She was closer to us because she used to date our friend.
Okay.
And being imkhuza.
Okay.
Like ngaye, like phuma kulo muntu lo and stuff.
Ukhuza bani? Umchita?
Ukhuza umjita. No girl ngiyamkhuza. I'm like, no, phuma kulo muntu. Angithi uyabona ukuthi ayikho enhlanganisayo. Phuma. Umuntu uthatha amanamba ka ubhala itshintsha igama. Ubhala igama. It's fine. Then mase sifika utshintsha amanamba owafaka efonini kabhuti wakhe. So that mina mangizocheck ifoni ngingazifeli next. Khuluma naye ngifoni kabhuti wakhe. Why azokhuluma naye ngifoni kabhuti wakhe if there's nothing going on?
Oh, ukhuluma no girl ngefoni kabhuti.
Yeah.
Shit.
Tshintsha negama.
Ushintshe negama. Akusase.
Akusase ngilaziyo sekuyele brand. Yabona ukuthi bengideleleka.
Yo.
Yini brand loyal thangithi?
Adidas.
What is the brand name? But Ntwana, remember, you were here, we spoke about this. And is it the,
Kancane ngiyaphoboka.
Ntwana, is it the same person that we know? Like,
Yeah,
let's
it
confirm.
is,
Like,
'cause
is
it's
it
the
Lil Flex?
recent one.
Is it Lil Flex?
Why shikama?
No, but I wanna know.
Yeah.
No, but Ntwana, no, but
No, I don't want to
we-
make this
no,
about
but
him.
we spoke about this. Like, she was here. We spoke about it. You see, and she even went to Uban. There's this. I don't want to mention this platform because that guy doesn't pay me for my promo. So yeah, they were at this certain platform, and she went there and proudly spoke about it. Most is it not? Donna, come on, Donna, we can't.
Ngikhabile le nakabaka.
Donna, we can't be
Yeah,
in the shade.
we
The
are
figure doesn't know. Is
like-
it Lil Flex?
I don't know, dog.
Oui. Donna.
Let's not talk about his name.
No, I'm saying Pedophile doesn't know.
Last time it
Anit.
happened, but I was like, okay, I don't know, but
Yeah,
ngiyafisa
but
ukwazi.
man, ngiyafisa ukwazi. Is it
It's
Lil
fine,
Flex
guys.
now?
It's better when you don't know. 'Cause
No, you gotta know. You gotta know, Ntwana. Is it
no,
not Lil
I don't want
Flex
to make
now?
this about him.
Yeah, but he-
Akusuye.
ubani ke?
I can't name drop.
Hayibo.
Haibo.
You'll get the name on the comments.
No, guys, I don't want to name drop. I don't want to make this about him. Yeah, but because all the time we're talking about him. But then I can't.
Yeah, but if
Yeah.
but if it happens, we can't run away from that. And I just spoke to Ntwana. I just did the same thing here. Don't want me to explain the same things to you. Yeah, I keep on calm because she had never
It's
spoken
fine.
about it.
Okay, Shabu, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Mina ama yakipika malala ngiyoshaya
No, abantu.
You say so. Is it someone like is it someone like who's well known? Where is he from? Like from your hood?
Why we gay lapho?
Guys, barikapa.
Ay, yo.
Barikapa. Manje ngihappy as woo.
Ntwana, tell me. So, Mina, like, I don't know, Ntwana. I don't know if I'm saying. Mina, sometimes like, I think I'm crazy. You know, because like, since Kathy, it'll feel like I'm seeing things. After you came to the pod that time, did you guys try after that, like, to be together? did you guys
After
try?
the first interview,
Yeah.
we tried.
Again?
Angkapa.
Akapa-
Kabanga unkapa so abangani bami bazi ukuthi ngibuyelene naye. Unkapa vie like
So the
a
public
C2.
did not know ukuthi
No.
wena no Flex and Buyelene.
And then he dropped the video after some time, not even months.
Oh, yeah, I
And
remember
then
there was a video that
he
you
made
guys
the video.
made.
It's like mina ngimfuna back. I'm like nigga, are you
Oh
crazy?
yeah.
That video we were still dating.
Oh, you guys were dating then.
Yeah.
After
After the interview.
after the interview.
Eh, ungibambile. Ungibambile ngabuyela, but then
Then-
I think it gets to a point ukuthi like now uyakhathala ukuthi ayiphela kudlalwa ngawo abantu babukile la. Because everything was about the content. Why did we take the video if it was not about content? Yeah, but
And
like-
Smiley, he did confirm that ukuthi but I feel like Flex was using you like for views.
it looked genuine. Mina, I'd say it was genuine, ne? Because if it was for views, he was not gonna treat me the way he treated me when we were together. Because like Masi too, it was okay. It was health. Tisibona abantu ngathi nje, ooh. And like I didn't like the part of my video. I understand it was a public relationship, but at some point, my videos they just ruined everything. Eh? And then all amantombazana la ukuthi manje azakuye because manje bambona nam. That time bekangekho nami why bekangekho wonke lamantombazane lawa. Why bekangekho? Babonile ukuthi okay sharp. Nawaseka the very same girls from where I
So
am from.
allow.
Oh yeah, like he's too friendly. He's
But
friendly.
friendly
I know.
to an extent as a allow.
But do you know how boys, how weak boys are? They're so weak. Umfana, la ukuthi ngizokuvakashela umvakashela kanjani ane girlfriend. What's that? Ubusneaky link yakba.
Yeah.
What's that? Because you can't tell me ukuthi wena you'd allow visitors while you have a girlfriend. Yini le azoyiletha mina engenayo. Yabo. So those kind of things bye. Smash my relationship. Bye.
So what happened to that last time you guys broke up? Like what did he do then?
Yo! Iskaka sendaba. Yabona like mina umuntu ongenze shout out to my boy uKopana ne. My boy was like yazini mabule awuzithandi.
Okay.
Awuzithandi. You can't allow ukuthi umuntu akwenze the way akwenza ngakhona. That's when I was like, you know what? Ngisharp ka vibe because yazi kudala ngibekezela masibekezela sibuya ne video. Ayibo. And like there's a video like that video angazi if uyibukele wayiqeda. I said don't post. And then I was like, if you say this, just know I'm depressed. Angazi if uyibone the last video. There's a one short hair that time. We have a video and we had a video because I'm deleted a phone in because it's like no I shooting a phone I'm going to see post. It's for the both of us a shooting a phone. We took the video sharp. Then you'd noticed on that video he's like Galara kashuti guys or I don't know people or whatever. He's like Galar because I said don't post the video because I was not planning to be public after whatever that happened. I was planning with okay sharp. We're gonna fix the relationship private. Then we're gonna come back public if it's sharp. Because we were still not okay.
Is it?
I still had those trust issues. He has trust issues for days. He has Mara he has trust issues because like bekangangithembi and I believe ukuthi if umuntu akakuthembi kushuthi into ayenzayo. Because why would you think mina ngenza into ezikanje wazi ukuthi wena awuzenzi? Yabona ukuthi ibhlungu kanjani? Yeah, so my friend was like as in like abangani bami like my friend used to like send paragraphs angitshela each and every day as in sithande mzala. This person used to tell you you must love yourself, know your worth and whatever, but yena utreat ngathi awuyazi worth yakho. Mina bengingabeza wangani yazi ukuthi umuntu makathi phuma kulomuntu it's the more catch, it's the more ngena. So like bengizama say I'll go behind my friend's back and then it's gonna be okay. Then I'll come back to my friends and make them understand ukuthi kichi mzala yazi ne mina shem ngimbonile uact right in mara I am a camera where I'm more shashem.
So have you ever like caught him like with the girl who's nah, I can confirm he was dating this girl while you guys were dating?
Yeah, they are those.
They are. Can't you tell-
Bebakhuluma no ukuthi angaze ngaconfirm but then ukhona sisters and like there was a time where there was a group call ngangena wathula yena sakhuluma nabo ngingibasha amagama sakhuluma nabo yena mara she was quiet and then can ngizwa manje ukuthi okay sharp they were dating while we were dating. I'm like ngaze ngadeleleka yabo ziningi izinto bezenzeka guys so that's why ngithi ama camera ruined everything and like now he's coming to the public acting like he's innocent.
So
he's now
playing
painting
the
me.
victim part.
He's playing the victim part. He's painting me as the bad person. Like there was a time where he took a video. Before bazo drop a video, ne? And then we got back together. He didn't drop the video. As soon as like manje saying it's chai, he dropped that video and ungitshele ukuthi I mean I've been texting him stop posting me. Stop posting my pictures, stop posting our videos. So yazi Instagram angeke ikhomba ukuthi utheni ithi 2 unread. So he showed the phone to the cam. He's like nyambona uyangitexta. Yeah, usangifuna back. What's that? As a matured person, what's that? Yabona ukuthi like iba unfair. Now people think, oh yeah, watermelon busy uyamlandelela and it's not that, guys. He's a narcissist. He acts victim and it's not nice.
I wanna see this dude. How old is he?
We're the same age. Funa nokhala. We're the same age. Like now I feel like it's time to speak about this because I've been painted as that girl. That girl. Enough is enough, guys.
So you're good. So now like you're at a point whereby you know what?
You're sharp.
Will you ever like work with him? Because obviously I feel like the public like
they do like us together, but it's gonna work in his favor.
It doesn't work in your favor. How so?
It
How is it working one side? Like
because he's the one who got a lot of followers than me. You get it? Yeah, but he's the one who was posting.
No, but
too
it's
much.
because
I've
of
never
like,
posted on my channel. You can't be consistent about that relationship. You have a life. Show people your life. Show people everything. You can't be showing people me as if your life revolves around me.
You're supposed to show, like in your like audience circle, you're supposed to show him now to grow your own followers.
Because Mina, I wasn't like planning to be in a public. Mina, ngishilo a public relationship, you don't have to post same time. Now we're going through this and this. Mina was gonna post, but after some months, after I've learned this person is like this and like this. So there, I feel like we jumped a stage to sazan, singabantu abanjani. Then we started posting and then it's affected this thing, both of us. But now because mina ngintombazane, I can't be jumping and then post a relationship because sharp body count they increase because they can't body count but why yena as umfana bangamcounteli lezi zinto abazisho kimi because you see people bathi like posta nomfana yeah you dating this guy why yena bangamtsheli that thing. You see, it's unfair, guys.
So do you feel like was it like genuine? Like
that's like to me it was genuine, but I feel like social media imenze wachincha. Like if fame imenze wachincha because he was like completely different. Like he was different. About your point of view, he was na. Like Mariana, he's full of love. Some point, guys, and there's some of the things we can't like share. Go public, go media, go see what happened between the two of us. But the victim part, it's killing me, Shem, because he's the victim. You'd never hear him say, yo, guys, I was wrong. I did this and I did that. It's always me who's wrong. And yeah, watermelon in. Yeah, and he's giving people the power to compare me with every girl he's always with. Yeah, so it's not nice, guys.
Hey, it's a lot. Was enjoy this guy nani?
Last year. It was months. Angisakhumbuli nje.
So in a space of months, like he did
Yeah.
all of this.
Fast and hard.
That's why I feel like Ilontole, fame imshinchile because he was not the person I met at first. Marayana, he's full of love. Maray, at some point, he just changed. Yeah.
So now, but also there are rumors that you after like dating Olin Flex, you went on and dated the T4. Is that true?
Why?
Yeah.
Uyayiphinda lento yakho.
No, is it
Le
true?
nto engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi mangishuta nomuntu it doesn't mean we're dating.
No, but that's what the media says. It's not
That's
me.
what the media thinks.
Is it?
Yeah.
So that's not true.
Uh-uh.
You've never dated the T4? Not even?
No, guys.
Please comment down below and say, do you believe Watermelon now? Like, do you believe it? Like, just
But like
write
if
down
we
there.
dated, we were going to make it public, but not a
Aye.
secret.
Nah, I feel like T4 he makes his own numbers. I don't think he was gonna be a guy that would be obsessed with like making views now. I don't feel like
Makuthi uyajola, remember?
yeah, yes, he was
Jolly
here,
T4.
yes, but he called you. Oh, that was a prank call, but
Oh,
yeah.
okay, I
And then
remember.
mina ngishilo ngathini? Ngathi why you sound out yet? Because I know I'm not used to this. So Tifo is dating, guys, and I respect that.
Azange nitshontshane futhi.
But if okay, but
Just a question.
but if T4 like if he were to say, you know what, I'm serious, let's date, like what are you gonna say? Let's say now he's watching and he's like, let's date. Yeah, what's your take on that? If he says, you know what, Watermelon, like I meant what I said, let's date.
I'm scared to date a TikToker or someone who's well known again.
Also, you
Because
just
I know
want
what kind of girls they are Ikaslam. So I know for a fact ukuthi once they know ukuthi we dating, they're gonna try by all means ukuthi basibreak. So I don't know.
Mara ngaphandle
Maka
kwabo.
makazame sibone. Makazame sibone.
Shitra, mama. Try your luck.
Like
You
you
stand
like you
better
mess up.
chances of getting this hand. I mean, like, hey, Baba, you must drop the CV, Baba. You already
Yeah, my
did,
man.
actually. Yeah. you
I'm got my
already did.
points.
Yeah.
Akazame sibone.
So now, like, when like you're planning on dating like someone who's unknown now.
Ngifuna ukuthi mangizomposta inyawo bangathi inyawo la ka Steve Ovo le. Akifuthi yabaza amantombazane bamazi kahle umuntu walala esifubeni uposta indlebe bathi kusuthabang no. Ngithaba lezi. Indaba ziyaphuma once bathi akusubani bani wazi ukuthi kunendaba. Kusubani bani? Umuntu kasine, umuntu kabani bani? Ngiyasaba lezi.
Yeah, ne?
Guys, that's why if uyajwala guys. Ish.
So
Ngina joke.
okay, going back to Lil Flex, that's so Ivala and Jinda Bayaki. If we were to call him like on the pod, like would you guys be like in the same room? But if there's not, listen before you answer, if there's nothing between you and him, you would say yes. But if there is, you'd say no, because you know what he wants is here. Vele, he might end up living with you.
No.
Trigger. What's your take, boy?
Wena ungifaka
But you know what?
ku-tag.
As Paul said, this is a better scene. I could where else maybe they came like on a separate trip, but they would live together. Yeah, yeah.
To be honest, ne. Lil Flex, I don't have a beef naye. I don't have a problem. But I don't think it would be appropriate to work naye in the same space.
Not working now, but to clarify some of the things, because now you are saying he's playing the victim part like on social media.
No, we don't need to.
Why
clarify
don't we
it.
call him and let him talk for himself? Yeah.
We don't need to clarify anything.
No, but what
Let
if
people-
yena?
let people
What
believe.
if? No. What if?
Okay, umuntu
from-
omnyeka zathande ke. Kangifuni. I'm joking. No, because uyabazi abantu banjani, like mina, like when it gets to those sensitive topics, uyangibona ukuthi ngiba umuntu onjani. So kuyoba ngathi mina now I'm thinking ukuthi manje I should go back or whatever. So
No,
let
but
people think
that's
whatever
the
they think.
reason-
I need to
That's
just
the
share my
reason I'm
story.
here. That's the reason I'm here. Because now remember, I will be the one. Like the conversation is gonna go through me to reach you.
No, I don't think I'd be happy to be in that space with him. That's why when he came to my hood, I didn't go. Because I felt like guys. No.
But can you guys be like in the same room? So if I were to call him, would you be there?
If you tell me no.
Unless if I don't tell you.
Yeah.
Ngamtshela.
Nakhona sengizokubuza ukuthi ungibiza nobani manje ngoba.
Nah.
And
We'll
like
get
my
him.
friends were like, yeah, like my other friends were like, when usaba this thing yokuthi uthole clarity and whatever, conclude things. Like he used to call and like bengimtshela ngithi ayimfethu ayiseke into ezosihlanganisa because uyabona already like I'm broken. I can't. And I feel like by going back, this is me betraying myself. By doing things with Delphex, this is me betraying myself. Yeah.
No, but you
So
wouldn't go
nje.
back. Remember, you wouldn't really go back to his
Ahlangananga
platform.
ahlangananga ku-podcast yakho. We're not gonna solve things in this podcast. So let people think whatever they think. I mean, I just shared my side of the story. If you believe his or mine, it's okay. But then you'll just know if you matured enough. Uzobona ukuthi kahle kahle kudlalwa bandla. Ubano matured, ubano ngekho matured.
Collega, my dog. Lil Flex, I'll see what I can do, bro.
Ngeno Jesus no.
I'll see what I can do. Just leave everything to me. It's fine.
Why afuna ukuba nami yena?
No, it's not like he wants to be with you. What if I'm the one who's trying
Why
to
when
initiate.
ufuna sibe sithu?
Mina? Because I feel like you came at first, and then we spoke about him, and then after that, he had never like Pella. There's always gotta be like we always need to hear like both sides of the story.
That's why
It
I
can't
said
be
my story
one-sided.
now because there was always that one. Yeah, okay, YouTube, right?
Yeah, but
But
not,
then you can call him here. I won. Azukhuluma hayi nam. Respectfully, hayi nam.
and things like this, dog. It's so funny because now, as much as she's saying this, and bear in mind, dog, there are high possibilities of this happening, bro. Like she can say now, no, I don't want to be in the same room now, and you'd find Sevan posted Guchanila the guy. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, dog.
So
I'm telling you,
like
dog.
now I'm saying
telling you,
that's
I'm
why
telling
you
you,
should
but
go
I feel like it's not the first time she's saying this.
Yes,
Like,
because now-
So, but it's a thing of I feel like whenever maybe she sees him, like something changes inside her,
No.
bro.
Mara yeah, Chum, go to khuluma manje uta makala like uyakhohlwa into ezenzayo.
When how do you see this? Because when like you are very close, like how do you see them?
Guys, the thing is explained. This thing I found nakal. Remember the first time lento yenzekile, it was not that deep. Okay, it was deep, but it never reached to a point ukuthi it got us into this place. Now things are different. Like things are different. So I'm saying this, I'm not gonna do it. And if he posts me, just know ukuthi angazi usithathe isithombe sami or video or whatever. Because he recently posted my picture nomntana kibo athi fam. What's that?
Yeah, he's fame.
Hayi cha ngeke.
Okay.
It's not
Phela
normal.
ngiqabanga ezimfana, ngiqabanga ezintombazane.
Because mina
That is
manje
why.
I had to fight with my
Is there someone in the picture?
so
Come on.
yeah, isithombe sikhonula.
Ujoka.
So ukuyabona like kuba ngathi manje mina ngimene nginamanga because I can't be saying this whilst here now poster mina and whatever. No, I'm not gonna take videos. Nanoma singahlangane mall, I don't know if ngizombulisa, but then because I don't have beef with him, I'm just gonna greet and pass. Nothing much, nothing less. Because I say kinte sazokhuluma yini sazokhuluma.
There's nothing.
We're not doing the same thing in terms of social media, whatever. Mina ngenza ama smash or pass. Hey, naye awayenza mara asifani.
Okay.
He does
Okay.
vlogs and stuff, so
What's going on?
And
Now we are go.
Yeah,
mawuthi nawe uyagova ufuna ukuthi noba nogowa
now
and nangovi.
When I go on it,
Yeah,
it
mara
happens.
ngihaya
Andlula. Yeah.
That was a lot.
ngikhuluma kahle. Yo, sengine-stress manje.
Stress on man.
Mhlawumbe
Ufana
uzonceda
wesizwe.
afterwards.
Hayibo.
No, ishinkinga guys yabona like i-storage sami sigcwele bo. And manje le app le family, do you guys know family link again?
Family link,
Leyo location.
The location.
Where you can track everything ukuthi uvule nini WhatsApp ukuphi whatever and
Eh,
all.
madoda. Okay.
Ish. Manje like I'm trying to re-download the app. Manje mfuna ngibhadale and stuff yabo. So ish guys kuningi manje maybe like yeah.
Oyisebenzisa trust issues.
Ish. And like I didn't know ukuthi like it will end up like this. Because like manje yonke ama information wonke wakhe aphumile angazi aphuma but then i-password ngiyaz. Email. But
So what's
then
the problem? I still don't understand. What's the issue?
no like ngishintshe ilona. Ay guys ngakhuluma ngayo ngizoniqina sengikhala ngizonginceda maybe. Like any
ngitshele ngizokusiza.
as long as
Yes.
I get a
I'll be
phone.
thinking on the solution.
Imani. No, as long as I get a phone, ne? Mengathola iphone.
Yes.
Bese le app le ngidownload then mase afuna uphuma kule app le yana melathi parent but what mina mele ngithi accept kule app le.
So kahle, what's the issue? I still don't get it. Ukuthi what's the problem?
Singikhuluma ngayo guys.
Oh kahle ukuthole ukuthi you are at a certain location where you shouldn't be or what?
No. Uthole ukuthi mina bengimtrack.
Okay.
Ukuthi bayenza. La khona app yakhona bengiqalele select day before. Then the following day I find out type app le yande because mengivule iWhatsApp.
Uyifakela ikangazi efonini yakhe.
Uyathanda
ufuna
ukufind out. Yazi uyathanda ukufind out.
No, if like umuntu khona guys if uyamthanda, eish.
Mara uthanda it
To
needs
be
to be
honest,
free.
yes, I know.
Yeah.
That's over time.
But that
yo.
one I know. That's why ngithi mina to be honest, le after le ivele mina naso hlukana it's fine. Yeah, like
Eh?
from there, no if sohlukana, I would understand because yabo
Okay.
yabo manje.
Yini uyaganga yena or something? Like is he loyal?
Uyaganga lo.
No.
Awuzwa bathi siyafind out. Kunini? I find out.
Oh, you find out.
Namanje uqeda ukufind out.
Nama uqeda find
Ay
out
manje
afuthi.
nganga find out.
Ubuyashaka find out.
Find out. I would like namanje find out. Yeah, no utholile ukuthi no.
Oh, you find out.
Guys,
See.
I'm a
That's the
relationship.
birthday.
Ngathini ama situation asenza ukuthi sibe strong. Because once you experience lento le mawuzo experience futhi so bese wazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni.
Yes, that is why ngithi mina
So-
if angeka it's fine. From then like donka break for the until December to be honest. Because vele bengisitshelile ukuthi lo muntu lo wokugcina. Like wokugcina story I swear. Like wokugcina.
But yo, that's too much though. Okay, I feel like if we amthanda vele like you need to sit down and talk about it. You know what helps? What you can try to do is someone once told me this. Just say, can we start over? Let me
Reintroduce myself.
Yeah, let me reintroduce myself and then like
It doesn't work that thing.
To be
Start
honest,
over.
ne?
dog.
Nah.
Yabona ne once
Can you start over with that person?
No, not which like
she
you wanna
can't.
start. Amanye akustudying over.
Guys, ayastadeka over.
yeah depend lo muntu lo ibuya kanjani bo.
Yeah.
Manje
You know
guys
when you get to know someone, yes, I believe ukuthi umuntu uma ufuna ukumazi awumbuzi uyamfunda. So we take our time, we learn ourselves. Then that's when like you can like grow. Because you can't just come because when ngibona ukuthi ngidla pizza mina sengithanda pizza. Ungakangiboni ukuthi ukishop. Is it into engidla like almost every time or kanjani. So starting over is good, but not for me.
Okay, so manje, what's the issue,
Yena she
manje?
still has a chance because abantu abamazi is umuntu wakhe ne. Yabo. They can
Like
still
bana
start
umuntu wami.
over. Oh yeah.
yeah, but then ish guys. What was question? Between question. Like ngise stress manje guys.
Yazi
Is the relationship too
umuntu
public?
once wamkhomba ukuthi
Nah, it's not. It's
once wamkhomba
public.
ukuthi awumthembi uzokwenza ubelieve ukuthi vele like lento yenza iqiniso.
No, ukuze ngakuthembi is because if once ngakuthola like 99 ukuthi hayibo vele uyangitholela kanti ngithwele intombazane, do you think ukuthi ngizokuthemba futhi? Because
this
now I'll get to a point ukuthi manje okay singizofaka nama-tracker manje efonini wakho and see everything you do.
I mean that's too much.
I know it is too much, but then if
You're
like
very wild
low
into
muntu
it, yo.
okay.
That's very wild.
I mean,
Maybe
sometimes
what you mean,
it's understandable, acceptable, but I feel like you are doing your way too much.
Are you
over.
guys
I
like at that
know.
point? This guy didn't even pay anything, but already you're on his neck.
I know that is what if inhliziwe ngifuna uqamba manga that is why ngithi mina njengoba nithi i-gym lena lo muntu lona angiboni umuntu guys noma ngihamba estradini angiboni next ngibona yena kuphela Strunas
That's a lot.
Ubona yena kuphela
kuphela guys serious
uyadla kubo.
angidli khakibo.
Have
mean,
you ever like
everyone
bought
is
you
cool,
something
like,
like
yo.
udli? Maybe we need to confirm what uqinisile. I mean
Maybe guys maybe ukuthi like mina mengithanda umuntu like ngiyamthanda kakhulu and leyo amela ngenze at all. Yebo. Awuzinami manje if uzongeka hayi ngizo understand because I like kwabona nilo every day.
Yeah, you guys. Yeah.
Yebo
you guys
so
fight every
like
day.
igcina uthaze nqono kuyathola maybe lo muntu lo munye mhlambe ke.
But lovers are fighters.
I know at this point manje kwamanje I don't mind because app yakhona ne ukuze ngidownload ifona nami ngoba igqwele mele ngibhadale and my money imali yami kuphi ku FNB and FNB le ngishara nobani nosisi wami yabo and manje sami kuphi sami seDubai mele afuna nale card lelo ensimsebenzini lo muntu uyifuna manje namanje ungibhala lama essay uyangibonisa ukuthi ngishintsha ama password and manje yabo singapheni ukuthi sama ngiphendule ngecard in stuff. Mhlambe that's why maybe you one of you will help me download the app then log in with my email and all.
Nah, Trigger's gonna help you.
That's a lot.
Okay.
It is.
Enough about Umjolo. Guys, there's a lot that was trending actually
Hey,
like this
Levi,
week. Yo, this week was busy, guys. This week was busy. Apparently or allegedly, Umto disrespected. In fact, Ukespa felt disrespected by Umto from Open Chat. What's the context there? The context is that Umto he called out to Casper and called him to be selfish. It's like, that guy like is selfish. Like he's a taker. You see, like he doesn't give. You see, so like in his own perspective, he feels like if you are big and like you've got power, like to help people, why don't you do that? Because he feels like Casper is too relaxed to a certain point whereby he just takes, but he doesn't give. You see, so he's calling him like selfish. You see, and Casper responded actually by saying, and they say he's giving him a round of applause, like Moguti, because he said like, keep commenting, like keep doing what you're doing and stuff like that. Like was like praising him like in some kind of way. You see, and I don't know, bro, maybe him who lost the context like in between that whole thing, because uthi like Umthugile, he insulted him, like Casper insulted Umthu, and I look at that clip, I couldn't find something that was I couldn't find something like insulting. I don't know, like stuff like allegedly stuff like his mouth stinks or something, stuff like that. You see, is it that? Yeah. Casper. No, he didn't say that, dog. He didn't. And no one talks about that. Even like who socials, no one talks about that.
I mean, Marushi, if people notice you, it means you're doing something, so keep on doing it. So now I'll surely underlay impression there. I'm still gonna talk about Casper. Long as I'll keep on trending and whatever. So now you have to push his span nice. I didn't like.
But also he also said this thing, Oguti. There are so many people who talk about Casper, but he doesn't reply them. Why? But I feel like he replied because obviously people on his platform, obviously they ask about that. They ask about on Casper's
yeah,
platform.
that's why,
That's
yeah.
why. So
Yeah.
you can't say there are a lot of things that people talk about Casper and it doesn't reply because they don't reach him. That's the thing.
Yeah.
You see, they don't reach him. You see, and also, I don't know what your in perspective in like on that. I mean, I felt like that thing, like he was way out of line. Like for me, that's my
Yeah.
personal like opinion.
Even the latest clip, did you see it? When
That one is
people have,
crazy.
like,
That one is
this
crazy,
nigga,
dog.
yeah.
That one is crazy. That one
was
is
too
too
much,
crazy.
man. That
Yeah.
song is something for some reason I feel like it's just all about joke trend. I thought.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
can't, dog. It's too much, yo.
Yeah, he's calling. He says he's a narcissistic. Like, how can you say something like that?
Yo, it's too much.
And I went through the comments. People are like, the only thing, like the only response he's giving people who's he has money. Guys, it won't change.
He is mad.
He has money. It won't change.
And he says that's the only chat about Casper. The only thing he can debate about is to say,
Yeah,
I have money, I have this,
It's
I have a
a
baby.
fact. Money.
Bro,
Man,
Aye.
Mina ungidlisa makade mofuna umsebenzi, just call my name.
come on.
Gamampela, because Mauchapea Casper has been trending now. From the who's this guy? From the situation in Ngosol.
Yeah, not the podcast bega kuyo.
Yeah, El Tido.
El Tido, yeah.
but when you compare the views
Hey,
with him and Bruce, Bruce, bro, like he's been
This is the
trending.
good.
Oh, yeah,
But
nah, he's
obviously,
been- he's
but
been-
man, I feel like you can't compare. I feel like also like Umto didn't look at it at this point. Like you can't compare someone who's at his prime. Like when they say a person like it at his prime, obviously he's gonna do more than the person has been in the game.
Yeah.
Like that's just facts. You see, you can't say now compare and say Bruce made more views more than Casper. Casper has been in the game, bro, and the
like-
fact that he's still relevant.
Yo.
How many people like? Let's talk about the fact now, Gucci. Where is Ifani, bro?
Yo.
Where is he?
We
Where
can't
is he?
even talk about that guy and it's hard, dog. It's hard.
No. So what he did, so like I feel like he was too disrespectful, like towards Casper to me. And also you can't say, okay, podcast is about saying your own opinions,
Yeah.
you see, and stuff. But why would you be concerned about someone saying he's a taker? He doesn't give. You're giving people that impression with now. That person like is if you've got an influence, you can't go around and telling people that someone is a criminal. This one it does
People
this one it
believe
does
that.
that, this one it does that. Nah, bro. Like I feel like Vele from that, like it was just a stunt Vele to get people talking,
Yeah.
in which it worked
So
because
much, yeah.
people were talking about it actually. Yeah, bro. And Casper even went on and said sometimes we tend to mess up opportunities not knowing. You see, I felt like maybe he was gonna go to that port because MT was once there. You see, and that's why I felt like even that clip trended because MT and Casper, they are more like in the same industry, like they almost like do the same thing. So that very same audience that follows MT is the very same audience which also follows Casper.
Yeah.
So that's why even that clip trended. You see, and funny enough, these things they've been happening. If you look at, there was a time where there was this girl who Azania Doll. Ati MT he doesn't part for, they say allegedly like he doesn't part for 4 days. You see, yeah, and that trended, and which is that's how they got to have MT on the pod because MT came responding to that. You see, so now also I think like this stunt, like they are continuously using it, and people are not aware of this. Like they're just using the same stance, but then with a different like narrative. But they're
Yeah.
just using like the same stunt.
Things a publicity stunt.
Yeah, I feel like that.
Yeah,
That's a
it
publicity
was.
stunt. That's a
I mean,
publicity
if
stunt
this-
because he went on and even said, if you wanna come to the pod, you can come. That's what he
well,
wanted from the
yeah.
first place.
I think
Yeah,
he
that's
also
what
made-
he
yeah.
wanted from the first place. That's what he wanted, Vele, from the get go. That was the whole aim of talking about Casper.
Yeah.
we talk about celebs. That's just the norm. You see, because we need to say our own opinions on things. You see, and educate people some of the things that they are not aware of. You see,
Yeah.
so yeah, and funny enough, no DJ Maphorisa has been painted a lot, saying stuff about him, and where else Umlindo spoke good about that guy.
Yeah.
How can someone give you 20K?
I mean, a lot of people talk about who Maphorisa.
Mm.
Good side, that guy. Like he has helped a lot of people.
But there are people who also talks bad about him.
A thing is, ish, interkawatsa abantu ababhaya. Notice one thing ehlala issue ama celebs ukuthi most people kuma podcast they just speak opinions and so that they don't have like real facts and so on.
But podcast is about that.
It's about that, but if you could notice it's like we notice kahle. A lot of celebs complain about that. Most people do it, I know, for fame and all that stuff and so on. But at least, okay, look at it this way. What Umto said, he was like, Casper is selfish. But it doesn't know if does he have maybe another company that gives certain things to people, or does he have, I don't know, like,
Yeah, he doesn't have actual facts. Yeah,
It
true.
needs to be there. You can say something, but at least make sure we have the correct story and so on. Yeah, information. Aye, that guy is taker. Phela manje uthi uhlulekile ku music seka ku streaming like
I can stream at 40.
yo dog. Man. Maybe it's
He said
tired, dog.
he said like the way like he responded like he's giving ponytail days.
Yo,
Imagine.
girl.
Oh, that's a bar.
Yeah.
That's a
Then
bar.
when I was keeping up,
No, I think there's
Okay, keep in the Mosi Hoshkaramai.
there's another one he just posted recently.
Yeah, Guess Who's Back.
Yeah, Guess Who's Back,
I
yeah.
guess that song is coming. You see? Yeah, I guess it's coming. So I feel like Vele, as my podcasters, like abanye, they see a loophole and then they use it. And especially if Pela Nabo, same applies with Bruce. Their podcast, like I feel like it's at its prime now. So
Yeah.
that's why when they mention Casper, if they would have mentioned Casper like 2 years ago, it was never gonna trend like
It was
this.
not gonna be
Yeah,
that
because now
relevant, yeah.
it's more relevant, like it's more
Yeah.
relatable, the things that they talk about. And I don't wanna lie, I like that part because some of the stuff that they talk about, they highlight and they highlight a lot of things that these other social platforms that we don't get to hear about.
Yeah.
Yabo. So yeah, so like nje, but nje with what it did, to me, that is just a
Too
stand,
much,
dog.
man. Yo.
Yeah, that was just a stand. That was just a stand. It was a stand. But there are a lot of things that were trending. Do you guys still have opinion on this thing? Come to.
Nah.
And also, I'm not sure if you saw the former deputy president.
Yeah.
He was laid to rest.
Yeah.
Izolo.
Yesterday, yeah.
How do you guys feel about that? Hey,
It's
Mzulu
not
Male
nuts.
I was like, it's that guy is something else, dog. That guy, yo, he's
He's
something
always
else.
speaking. Always speaking
No,
his mind.
allegedly he said on the funeral, dog. He said like, estate. Obviously, whenever like there's a funeral of someone who's prominent or someone who's well known or like who works to state or in government, like obviously Neymar Puma and it's millions, obviously. That one we are aware of, like Puma millions. And he said like with this scandal that came out, obviously Umkwana is dropping files, which is we're gonna get to it. He said even Lana, he feels like they've looted money, even the ANC, because that's where they say a chance to loot. Imagine on a whole full funeral, dog. How can you say something like
It's a
that?
funeral.
It's a funeral. People are mourning, bro.
It's always
People
some
are
politics,
mourning,
dog.
man. People are mourning, bro.
Always speaks his mind.
Yeah, he speaks his mind. That
He's
guy.
a straight talker.
Yeah, he's a straight talker.
Doesn't beat.
He's a straight talker. He's a straight
He
talker.
doesn't beat around the bushes. He says,
And people
he
talk
says.
good about that guy, Utiti Mabuza. They say he helped a lot of people. They in Mpumalanga, like he even built schools, and there's a school that's named after him. And most of these things, look at this, bro. There's one thing that I've noticed there. Like in most cases, isn't this fun analysis like schools and nama hospitals and etc. Uguti bazname after you. It happens maushona in most cases. You see, like to just like in a remembrance of you or whatsoever. Ugutabantu, like you see, for your spirit like to live long actually and cherish you for the work that you have done
Marissa,
for your
what do you
society.
Speak about that.
It hurts to be given flowers while you're not alive.
No, listen to my
Ngiyakuzwa
check.
uthi, like,
Yeah, nah,
remembrance
there's his yes,
all
there's
that.
his school that has been built while we're still alive, and then he did. I think obviously he did that for himself, which is good because now obviously there are kids abafunda laphayana. You see, so I don't know, but also some people they don't talk good about him, but most
Allegedly.
allegedly they don't. They
Yeah.
don't. Yeah.
Allegedly.
What have you heard when about his story?
Angizona next. Ngize kathi bathi nje bathi akusumuntu. Allegedly bakhala ngayo eMpumalanga. Mara uyazi abantu bahlezi banenkulumo after umuntu ashonile because if like there was something wrong that he was doing, I think besizozwa asaphila. Because uyazi wonke lama minister lawa they all have their skeletons and all that, and at some point it gets to come out sibone because uyabona na umchunu is dropping. Ayidangithemba ukuthi bekangamyeka nanoma shonile bekazokhuluma ngaye. So yeah,
How do you feel about his passing, bro?
umkhwanazi bona ngithi umchunu ish.
Mkhwanazi, yeah.
One thing about me, ne dog. Angazi ukuthi bekutshela bani.
Umkhwanazi Sithakazelo.
No, umchunu onesikeleton.
Oh yeah.
It's one thing about me, ne, when it comes to politics, it's something that I don't like to entertain that much. The reason being, like, there's a lot that we go through, dog. And okay, for example, look at this. Did you see what's currently trending now? Would see there's a lot of people that are abangaspan, like unemployment. Yeah, I'm a minister as a corner. Like we have all these like leaders, but to make go, I will be corner that much. And so load shedding, nini nama corona. Like isn't those money is veiling, and then there's no assistance and so on. Like abasenzeli next. I don't feel any difference, dog. Honestly. That's why I sponsor me, look at my check and focus on that. Be prime minister sends this call and then
Oh yeah, kulesikhulu leso.
Alale
And so-
ngithula shem.
Hey,
Well, what's your take?
mina ngazi next ngalomuntu.
Because I only noticed him. No,
Shoni.
And do you know
Yeah.
what crazy? What he did, that guy? Pela, that guy, he was obviously he was a deputy president. After he served
Deputy
his
president,
yeah,
yeah.
after he served his time, he was appointed again for a second term. Do you know what he did? He declined it. And I'm asking at the back of my head, why? Allegedly. Why?
You can't
Why
answer
would
now.
why would like you bagnikis khundla, dog? It's like being given a contract, ane? And then
By renew.
by renew ube like no, nah, I don't want it. I don't know, man, but it's just that maybe there's a lot that's still gonna unfold as
Yeah.
time progresses. You see, but there was something behind that. Yeah, there was something, bro. It can't. It's either it's because of maybe the things that are happening within the organization that he was in that maybe
Yeah.
he did not like, or the pressure that he was getting, or whatsoever. There's something that made him.
Ash, guys, with politics, it comes with a lot of pressure and effort, dog. Like abantu politics, they die any.
It's true, yeah.
Young toiler. It's like if I have a certain position, there's people who placed you there, and when they place you there, there's certain things that they will want from you. If you don't do that, dog, so my ban.
Sadile.
Yeah, young toiler.
So when, in your own perspective, you feel like our leaders are just placed there, but there's someone behind the steering wheel who's
Yeah.
basically who's
I'm
delegating.
gonna put you there, but you'll need to deliver certain things.
Yes.
Like if
And that's why we get. And the crazy part is that we blame the individual that has been placed there. Because
Yeah, because
obviously
we don't know.
Yeah,
That's why the
because we
cancer
don't know.
plagues. Yeah, that's why.
We don't know.
Sometimes sinasmanesini aye uban lento ayenzayo useless akashintshwe in but do you think it would be okay, I don't feel like it's even like way too difficult if you can provide if unekhaya yakhona provider for ekhaya and then you find it can't be that difficult ukuthi uthole isikhundla and then kuthiwa uzodila ngento so and then find it hard to provide.
Yes.
It's because there's certain strings that are pulled ukuthi kuze nalo muntu azokhona ukwenza leyo nto leyo if akakhoni hayi ukuthi akakhoni it's like I'm gonna give you 5 million 3 meter yenza kanje in yenza kanje wena uyasho ukuthi lo muntu bamnikeze 5 million wenzeni nge5 million yangithola yeah it's because of that's how I feel. It's because of that dog they being controlled hayi ukuthi bayazenzela sometimes
Into system
Do you think our system is that fucked up?
too much
it
dog.
is
Very.
Too much dog yeah. Too much.
But let's get to the matter. Kanhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Have you guys like seen what has been trending? And I think it's trending.
okay
He is trendy. That's why it's a lot of these people. I only noticed them when they start trending. I didn't even know him.
Nice.
same
I didn't even know him. Mara ngiyabona nje social media. Yabo pheki icwele phela. But mawuthi yangena ku social media how namanje njengoba ngilona usihleli la how ngiyagena nam TikTok yami I barely even view that person's videos but mangena seyavela na I'm like okay let me listen, let me see what's basically happening. It's been
Did you
trending.
guys like get the context? He delivered a speech or a briefing perhaps whereby
I
he
saw
dropped
it.
names like
Yes, name
of
dropping.
big leaders. It was a bombshell. Yeah, it was.
It was.
Saying people like or his senior leaders are involved, like that there's a syndicate
Yeah.
of these people that are preventing like the justice system like from working, because obviously these things like they're a barrier that he mentioned. These senior leaders, Yibo, allegedly, who are standing in the way of the law. Because he mentioned, I don't know if you guys like saw this. What happened there? He said, "Lento le iqale so." This is how all these things started. Now, also to do an investigation. Apparently, there was a team that was dispatched here in that was dispatched from KZN
Yeah, I
to
saw that.
Joburg, a tax team to deal with these political killings.
Yeah.
And then those teams, there was an instruction. Apparently, what happened was that that team, they were at this crime scene, and then when they got there, they, because of some, I don't know, it's like it was this thing of they tested some equipment that was used like when you crime scene, only to find out so good it's linked to the murders of the prominent people that abashonile here in Joburg.
Yeah.
You see, it didn't really drop, but we know South African artists that died. And funny enough, it makes sense because now there was never justice for those people. But in KZN, AKA was murdered, but those people were found. They were found. But in Joburg, for my artists that were murdered, have you ever heard to go see they've found perpetrators? There's no such.
and allegedly but it's the same guns that keep on killing people,
Yes.
like in the whistleblower DJ Sambo.
Yo, the whistleblower. You heard that story?
Yeah, so-
Ubabita Diokaran. That lady discovered Uguti. There's a fraudulent money that of a payment that was made to Ikampaniga allegedly of this guy Ovusi Ket Matlala.
I didn't see that. Yeah.
Yeah, there was it's Tembisa hospital. Long as you are from Tembisa, it bent down. Right? Yes, because of she discovered and she discovered to go to a fraudulent payment which she froze from happening because of she saw good. No, these are fraudulent payment. How come this money is going to this person? You see, it cannot happen. Why is it happening? Then she blew that matter over. Do you know what happened to her after then? She was killed.
Yeah.
Is she the
Politics.
one-
She was
Ulwe
killed,
Inda.
that lady.
Ulwe Inda.
Upabita Deokaran, that lady. She works go health of Department of Health. She worked there.
Mara,
And it makes sense why Umkhwanazi went on and did that briefing. Because now I feel like he saw Gucci also his life is in danger because
That guy is
connecting
gonna
the
die,
dots. Connecting the dots, you see, is good. All the people that finds stuff that involve like senior officials,
they end up dying.
they end up dying. All those people end up dying.
He must be protected at all costs. Mara, like I saw the comments. I want to watch if he dies.
Yo.
South
By
Africa's
a
gonna
loot.
shut down. No, South Africa's gonna shut down if he
Yeah,
dies. That guy.
so
South Africa's gonna shut down.
Aye.
South Africa's gonna shut down.
That guy, Ayunis Bean, is brave.
Now he's brave. How can you expose your own boss?
Maybe guys ufuna isitulo sakhe mara angazi.
Nah.
What if I was through?
no, it's time which is stop corruption because I know.
Nah.
Mara, why-
Because
why Melampais?
he says the justice of South Africa is run by drug dealers. That's what he says.
But then,
That's what he says.
don't you
Because
think
they're the one
ukuthi-
that control the system.
But then don't you think ukuthi leyo boss yakhe njengoba uRamaphosa bathi uhambile makabuya iboss yakhe ngeke baxoxe bese bafaka yena obviously. Wena as a president buzoyenzani?
We don't know because now remember all these people that I mentioned, they are within the same organization which
Yes.
Ramaphosa leads. That's the problem. Because you won't know because it can't be effective because now they say yena lo uvusimuzi Ket Matlala. That guy Pela he was arrested this year. And he was arrested because of what? Because of allegedly he ordered the hit for Tebuho Tsobajane. It's another podcaster, local Lona. Apparently, they tried to kill her in Bryanston, October 2023. They tried to kill her, and then I don't know how it links to Ket Matla because that's his ex-lover. You see, that's the problem.
What if she knows everything?
I think she knows stuff.
Yeah.
That's the
She
thing.
knows.
Because now all the people that knows that and all these people that knows sensitive information, they die.
They die.
They die. And even it's in a hospital, Uguti to bend down. Have you heard the story Uguti, why it bent down? It's because of even they say allegedly, even the securities are involved there.
Yeah.
Because there's that information and there's an information you could say there was money from the hospital that has been transferred to certain individuals. So obviously to get rid of the evidence is to ban hospital. That's the thing.
Sure.
Because it is.
Hey, it's a lot.
Yeah.
Imagine you must spend it down. Are there any people that died there?
Nah, there are no casuals.
And it's
There were
Peter
no
Sasha
casualties.
food.
Yeah, Spin the Sasha food, yes. Because of I feel like maybe the mission wasn't successful enough. Then they attempted to
do
bend
that.
down
Yeah,
the hospital
easy.
again. Imagine.
It's a lot.
Imagine. But that lady of Upabita Diakaran, oh man, it's so. Imagine, bro, you would go and work for your family. Pela, you study to save South Africa, but while doing your job, there's someone out there who controls everything, who will be threatened by while you are doing your job, and you might get killed for that. You die.
Sad.
Imagine, like,
Yeah.
if you think about her kids, bro, like it's so painful, man.
Sad.
It's so painful. It's so painful. It's so painful.
Corruption, it's go
Into ngizi pillars.
leadership. So, I think
Qala
leadership
phezulu
gets
kwesidingo.
there's nothing we can do besides talking about it, and we can't even change it. Corruption will
can't.
always be there. That's why ngangani insatsena nje politika.
Yeah, eh.
And what I don't understand, there's this guy bambiza ngo Opa Brown Mokhotsi. That guy
Yeah,
is not a
so-
police. He doesn't work in the police. He's never worked in the police, but he knows information within.
Angithi uthe wenze
He's
umsendele
closer to
message
the
ne.
minister. Yeah.
Yeah, he's closer to the minister.
He said
How
that.
can you be a friend and have information of the stuff that happens and even have like reports?
Yo,
Maybe
mfethu,
guys
yo.
maybe he's
That's deep.
sending like information.
That's
to
too
himself.
deep.
Usho.
Ubani?
Maybe.
Ubani?
Maybe phela angeke eze president wese mina so ngipresident and mina now close bese ngithumela information.
So where do you think is getting the information?
Maybe anyway Georgia obviously.
But he's close with these people.
Mara angeke ngithumela information as a president.
Now I feel like, what if this guy is sent ukuthi a distract law oya phambili by like feeding him information so that like azo relax? What if?
Maybe.
Because obviously when you like you get to know something, like let's say I'm working on a case and obviously enthusiasm, I'm not gonna dig deeper because now I get
You
to
have
like
everything, yeah.
receive things about this thing, and then now I'll relax and be like, okay, sharp. So that means I'm not supposed to
Do you
go
think it
deeper.
as a way of distracting Umkhwanazi?
Yeah, I feel like the Pelalomo, yeah, and we're exposing it because he went like, he's like, yeah, this is what he sent, and he stopped. Why did he stop?
Yeah, he stopped sending after some time.
Yeah.
He stopped, yeah, because
I'm saying in India last year in September.
yeah, in the last year,
September.
yeah, in the last year, yeah, in the last year, this thing.
weird.
How does it get like information? It
You
shows
see-
with our system, it's weak, bro.
Yeah, really.
I think we are run by. It's true, man.
I
We're
mean,
run
the only
by-
person I feel like can be able to rectify me, Julius Malema. No, sometimes I feel like une plan yamanje. So I don't know. I'm just saying une plan yama because most people feel like he just speaks, but I gonna like future plan a problem. So, but when I look at it from my side, I'm like, Julius Malema, he has the right means to do a lot, dog. That guy, yo.
No,
I
he
feel-
speaks facts. Eh?
Yeah,
he
speaks
But
facts.
also remember, if you're an opponent, Vele, you must
You
look
must
at what
do that,
wrong,
yeah.
what they are doing. You wouldn't look at the good things. You'd even hear Uguts they are doing the good, but you would not talk about
Yeah.
them. You would focus on the bad stuff only.
Only.
Yeah, because of now, you wanna outthrone
Yeah.
that government. You see,
Maybe.
and there are a lot of and Pella, Pella, that letter that was sent out, Ugut to disbanding that team that was working in this organized crime here in Joburg. That letter, it came while the National Commissioner is on leave. Why? The National Commissioner did not know about that. He did not know about that.
Man,
He
it's
only
a
found
lot.
out how can, because now I feel like that team, they had no idea what was happening, and Bona, they were trying, they were saving the people of South Africa, not realizing nah, it's not about that. Because even that same Vusumuzi Ket Matlala, allegedly he was given, how can he was given 360 million contract from the police?
Hey, this thing, it's a lot, dog. Politics, yo.
So our system is very
Very weak, corrupt. There's a lot.
it's F up, mfana. It's F up.
Yes,
So nje, I don't know, man. So like, how is the future looking like for South Africa? But you're waiting for
It's
Ramaphosa.
It's getting tough, dog.
Mm.
Ramaphosa, I feel like kube worse futhi like president.
Because now, even no Peggy Cele, they say he stayed in an apartment that was owned by the Sovosmuzi Ket Matlala. He once stayed there in Pretoria. Why was that? How is it possible to hlala endlini someone who's regarded on a fortunate tenders?
Yeah.
Someone which amaphoyisa afuna ukumbopha. How is it possible ukuthi wena you stayed on his apartment?
This is them.
There's a lot, dog. The system is very corrupt, fucked up. Like that's why I need to see the only thing we can do, even us, is just to talk about it. Because at the end, I mean, if you could notice it, ne? Why is it that njalo makuzovotwa ama-political parties, if you think about it that way, ama-political parties onke afuna ukwenza something is like bazamakasi in
They give
Yeah.
out food parcels, yonke le nto
just to
leyo.
buy that thing, what's high. But they're only doing it for those
I
months
think
or
they are buying our votes.
after that what
They are buying
happens.
us.
Yeah,
Fana no
basically
gas.
that's what they do.
Fana no Casey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After
Load
that,
shedding
what
phela
happens?
it-
Iyaphela
iyaphela.
please. Masekuzovodwa hayi,
Masekuzovodwa,
amanzi
iyaphela.
akhona,
Iyaphela,
gesi awuhambi.
Yes. They come and fix some street lights.
Straight,
Oh,
yes.
yes.
And then
Istrata, they fix potholes.
Yo.
Imagine.
Aye.
All that thing happens. Masekuzovodwa.
Yeah.
Then after voting, they get relaxed.
But yeah,
Bayakhohlwa because
But why would, there's one thing that I don't understand. Why would you, bro, like as a minister, you get a lot of money, bro. Why would you do corruption? Because the corruption, I feel like it's the way of making more money.
More
for
money.
them. Yeah, it's a way of making more money. But why would you want to make more money where else you're getting, like, there's a lot of money
that's
that
what
you're
I'm
getting.
saying, dog. You know, Labantu Labakao, they can be placed there, but it's just an image, dog. Because at the end of the day, Lomuntu uyahola enough, ne? And then he's required to deliver certain things. But they won't do that because someone else is controlling them. It's just an image. President Ramaphosa, president, but you know, with his certain decisions, it doesn't take.
He doesn't take
Akafiki
them.
nje athi, okay,
Yeah.
so yenza kanje. There's people that he listens to. Kuze kuzothatha leso sinqumo leso. Yangithola. So ba blame abona because we don't know the actual the reasons ukuthi why bangakhona ukudeliver and stuff.
Yeah, because the service is not delivered. And also, lente immigration, I think that's the way also of making money. Phela, they make money with drugs and etc. So if that thing stop, like, where they gonna get money?
I don't know. Yo. Hey,
Yes, this
What
thing,
is
man.
it?
Check. Yes, this thing.
it's a lot. It's a lot, man.
Okay. So rap and what's up with that thing, Grace? What's going on? I don't know what's going on there, man. Watermelon knows, bro. What's up?
I mean, I don't know. I
Give us
just
the
don't
context.
know.
What is happening?
No, she's been trending, man. She went to her ex's
Ubani?
funeral, Chris Mondlana.
Okay, it's Madlala.
Mondlana.
Mondlana. Oh, okay.
Allegedly. Uyawazama comment kanjani like ayibo Chief Mona wara because like she said like apparently bathi uthe ifuneral ke muntu wakhe like ka ex yakhe ngeke izenzeke without yena. Uyawazama comment bathi baqulise Amazing Grace.
Who paid for the
Ome
funeral?
phambili.
Kahle kahle?
Uye.
allegedly.
Uye.
Hayi man le viki la trendy.
Yeah, ne?
Le iviki lo mtrend angazi ikhalenda yokutrenda izohlala kanjani
Yo.
for this month. 'Cause a lot has been
Gabega,
happening. Yo.
A lot is
So,
happening, man.
it's
I
just
don't blame you, bro. Why you just focus on minding your own business? 'Cause
Yeah.
now
Yeah.
these things
There's
like
nothing
you can do.
yeah,
man.
it's gonna get you
Yeah.
crazy, and you get people who are so obsessed about news.
Yeah.
Dog. There are people who are so obsessed about finding out things to the core, and those people, good people. Yabona now, I believe when they say good people die young, man, then the bad remain. Like
Yeah.
you see, like cause like it's a lot of people like who are good that dies out there, bro, just for the truth.
Yeah.
They would die for telling the truth, for owning the truth. They would die for that. see.
Being loyal is a sin.
Yes, being
Also,
loyal is a sin.
disloyal
Also,
is also a sin. So
you can just never know, ane?
yeah, you never know, dog. Yo.
Anyway, thank you very much, guys. For coming. You seemed excited, didn't you? When? Hey, yeah, ne? Thank you very much for coming. Yeah, we covered a lot of things today. Yeah, I think we must protect Mkhwanazi by all cost. But it's protected, man.
We have to
Yeah.
pray for him too.
Yeah.
Yeah, ne?
Okay.
I mean, no one's got to say so protect again.
Kanjani sema
Phela now,
We have to
phela
pray.
remember,
Pray for
he's in
him.
jail. If something could happen to him, people would go and load dog.
That's
That's the only thing that's
khona
gonna
leteke
happen.
ngilibonile.
People would go and loot. Phela, what happened in the situation in Zuma?
Kazuma.
Bahamba
Yo.
baluta because of
And
you
Because of-
you
and
went
plus
to
we are
jail.
KZN.
Imagine. Yeah.
Yo.
So
And lento lena, it's everything starts from KZN, bro. I feel like the country
KZN,
is
so-
controlled by the
Yo.
KZN people. You see,
KZN
'cause-
country ngokwayo. Kumele
yeah,
ngikhishwe
yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for coming. It means a lot to our family. I guess people will catch us next week, I'm assuming. If you did like the episode, please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the bell.
And hit the bell.
That's it.
We are out.